Most RV awning companies import their fabric and put their name on it. They're not manufacturers, they're middlemen. They pick from whatever's available overseas, brand it, and sell it to you. Tough Top Awnings is different. We manufacture our own awning fabric right here in the state of Washington. So what does that mean for you? It starts with materials. When you control the manufacturing process, you control what goes into the product. You choose the fabric weight and the thread count. Every spec that determines how the fabric holds up in the sun, the rain, and the wind year after year. Imported fabric is built to a price point. Ours is built to a standard. It also means quality control happens on our end. We know exactly what we're shipping, and if something isn't right, we can catch it before it gets to you. And when you have a question, you're talking to people who actually made it. There are a lot of places to buy RV fabric online. Most of them can't tell you where it came from or how it was made. We can. Tough Top Awnings. Made in Washington State, built to last. Find us at www.toughtopawnings.com, and remember, we've got you covered.